Hi everyone, it is my second video. In last video I have discussed about hydrocarbon. So here I am going to discuss about alkane in details. Alkane general formula is CnH2n plus 2 where N is equal to number of carbon atoms. Therefore if N is equal to 1, so putting the value of N when we will calculate, it will become CH4, and CH4 indicates for first number of carbon atom, that is meth. Okay, so we will write word root here meth. After then ane comes from alkane suffix. It is suffix that indicates about that methane belongs to alkane, so its name will be methane. So here I have noted where ane is the suffix and meth is the word root, so it indicates about alkane saturated hydrocarbon. Now we will move on for next, that is N is equal to 2. So after calculation it will become C2H6. Then on the same criteria we will move for the second word root, that is eth. Then it will become ethane, and so on. If N is equal to 3, we will calculate it. It becomes molecular formula will be C3H8. Then the name will be propane, and if N is equal to 4, then it will become butane. Molecular formula will be C4H10. In this way we will continue this to maximum number of hydrocarbon for alkane groups. Now important questions regarding this topic which can come in board exam, that is first question, write the third member of the alkane with its molecular formula. Third number of alkanes means prop, word root is prop, and suffix will be added, that is propane. So it will becomes propane and molecular formula will be C3H8. Second question is how many covalent bonds are there in ethane C2H6, that is. So there are 7 covalent bonds. 6 hydrogens are linked with carbon with covalent bonds, and 1 covalent bond is present between the carbon atom. So overall there is 7 covalent bond in C2H6, that is ethane. Thank you.